Hello friends, this is Mike from Tribefinder, and welcome to the course entitled 2 YouTube Features You Must Utilize. This is also a section of the masterclass entitled Create a Successful YouTube Channel. This course is dedicated to informing you and guiding you through the process of making cards and end screens on your YouTube videos. It doesn't have to be confusing or complicated. It can be simple, and that's exactly what we are going to learn in this course. Cards and end screens can do magic for your channel, so I'm pretty excited to share this information with you. With any course I do that involves a platform like YouTube, I like to give you sections like YouTube Philosophy. And these basically are business philosophy sections, or why you would want to use a particular platform as an entrepreneur. So in the first section, we're talking about why you want to use YouTube for your business. After that, we're going to be talking about cards and end screens. We're going to tell you what they are in the first place, because chances are there's probably many of you watching that don't know what these terms mean. And that's okay though. We're going to learn all about them, and we're going to learn why you should be using them for your business and in your business's videos on your YouTube channel. And then we're going to make cards step by step. We're going to go through the process step by step, and you guessed it, we're going to make an end screen step by step. Now, for the YouTube Philosophy section, we're going to be talking about why you want to use YouTube as an entrepreneur. First, as an entrepreneur, you want to use YouTube because it is the second biggest search engine after Google. Yes, it's bigger and more used than Bing, than Yahoo, you name it. In fact, Google owns YouTube, so Google wants you to use YouTube and will, in essence, reward you for doing so. Also, if you optimize or tag your videos correctly, they will easily show up in actual Google searches as well as YouTube searches. This can be huge for getting awareness for you and your business. Now, I'm not sure if you're familiar with Gary Vaynerchuk. If you're not, check him out. He's a brilliant online marketer and entrepreneur. He was quoted as saying, "If your company is not putting out content, then it doesn't exist." And doesn't this seem to be the case these days? It seems like every major brand out there also has shows or toy lines or products associated with them. Have you noticed that most big brands have YouTube channels? Yes, right? There's a reason for that. YouTube is a platform where you can publish your own videos, your own content, and it's free. Plus, down the road, you might even be able to profit from it. YouTube might literally send you a check in the mail for the content that you put on YouTube. So there's really no downside here to using YouTube, and it's free, right? So why not?